My name is Anushka and I'm currently studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, and today we'll be studying about animation and physics. Before getting into animation and physics, let's understand what's animation. Animation is a method by which still images are manipulated to create moving images. In traditional animation, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent celluloid sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. Today, many animations are computer animations made with computer generated imagery, which is CGI. Stop motion animation, in particular claymation, has continued to exist alongside these other forms. Animation is possible to exist that because our brain can only consist the image for 1 by 10th of a second, as a result of which the images that move seem like they are in motion. So now let's understand how physics plays an important role in animation. Introduction. From the gravity defying stunts of superhero movies to the intricate movements of animated characters, physics play an important and a crucial role in bringing these visions to life. By understanding the principles of physics, animators can create animation that not only look visually stunning but also believable and emotionally engaging. From the movement of a character's hair to the way they interact with objects and their environment, physics principles are used extensively in animated films. But why is it important to understand these principles? By grasping the basic laws of physics, animators can create more believable and immersive worlds that captivate audience. Let's understand the role of physics in animation. Physics plays a crucial role in creating animation that look and feel believable. By using the laws of physics, animators can create movement and interactions between objects that feel natural and realistic. For example, in the movie Up, the movement of the balloons is based on principles of buoyancy and air resistance, which makes it look like they are really floating in the air. In addition to making animations more believable, physics also adds an extra layer of depth and complexity to the storytelling. Another example is from the movie Wall-E. The gravitational pull of different planets is used to create unique environments that add to the overall visual experience. By understanding the principles of physics, animators can create a world that is more immersive and engaging. Let us now understand the laws of physics. In animation, the laws of physics play a crucial role in creating realistic and believable movements. One of the most important laws is gravity, which determines how object falls and move in relation to each other. Animators use this law to create convincing movements such as bouncing ball or a falling leaf. Another key law is motion, which describes how objects move through space. This law is used to create smooth and fluid movements, such as a character walking or running. Finally, force is another fundamental law that animators use to create movements that look naturally and realistic. By applying force or to an object, animators make it appear as though it is being affected by external forces, like wind or water. Animation techniques. Let's see the different animation techniques that are used. Keyframe animation. It is a technique where animators create individual frames of an animation with each frame representing a key movement in the action. By stringing these frames together, they create a smooth and seamless animation that appear to move naturally. Next technique is physics simulation, involve using mathematical models to stimulate real-world physical phenomena such as gravity, collision, and fluid dynamics. This technique allows animators to create realistic movements and interaction between objects in their animation. Another technique is motion capture, which involves recording the movement of a real actors or objects and then using that data to animate digital characters or objects. This technique can produce highly realistic animation, but it requires specialized equipment and software. Coming to realistic physics is in action can be seen in many popular animated movies. Here we'll be taking example of some of the animated movies that are loved by people. The Incredibles and the Toy Story. In The Incredibles, the physics of object falling and colliding is used to create thrilling action scenes. In Toy Story, the physics of bouncing and stretching is used to bring the toys to life. By using realistic physics, animators can create visually stunning and emotionally engaging animations that capture the audience's imagination, whether it's a superhero soaring through the air or a toy coming to life. The use of physics in animation adds an extra level of realism and excitement. Let us also look at the challenges in physics, which is based animation. One of the biggest challenges that animators face when trying to create realistic physics-based animation is computational complexity. Stimulating complex physical interaction between objects can require a lot of computing power, which can be time-consuming and expensive. For example, stimulating the movement of water in an ocean scene can take hours or even days to render on a powerful computer. Another challenge is artistic freedom. While physics-based animation can create realistic and believable animation, it can also limit an animator's creativity. Like for example, if an animator wants to create a character who can fly, they may need to use physics simulations to make it look realistic. However, this can limit their ability to create unique and imaginative animations. Finding a balance between realism and creativity is a constant challenge for animators. Tools and software. Maya is a popular software used by animators to create physics-based animation. It offers a wide range of tools and features that make it easy to create realistic and believable animation. With Maya, animators can create complex simulation of physics-based effects like cloth, hair, and fluid dynamics. Blender is another powerful tool used by animators to create physics-based animation. It is an open source software that offers a lot of flexibility and customization options. Blender has a robust physics engine that can simulate a wide range of physical phenomena. Future of physics-based animation. The future of physics-based animation is exciting and full of possibilities. As technology advances, animators will have access to more powerful tools and software that will allow them to create even more realistic and immersive animations. One emerging trend in physics-based animation is to use of machine learning algorithms to stimulate complex physical phenomena. These algorithms can be trained on real-world data to generate more accurate stimulation, making it easier for animators to create believable animations. Right now on your screen, you can see the animation of Mickey Mouse. We all have grown up watching this and have loved this character a lot. So animation helps us create memories and plays a very important role in the field of entertainment. But at the same time, it also plays a very important role in studies. Right now on your screens, you see an atom of cadmium. It clearly shows how the electron revolve around the nucleus, and the nucleus consists of protons and neutrons. This helps us understand and visualize the subject better. So animation plays a very important role in our education as well. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have seen how physics plays a crucial role in creating believable and visually stunning animated movies. From the fundamental laws of physics to various animation techniques used by animators, we have explored the many ways in which physics can be used to bring characters and objects to life on screen. Furthermore, we have discussed the challenges faced by animators when trying to create realistic physics-based animation, as well as tools and software available to help them overcome these challenges. We also discussed the future of physics and animation. Thank you. I hope this video was informational. If you like this video, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.